In today's video, I'm going to tell you about a special plant that can help you remove age skin spots from your body that most of the people, especially older people, wants to do it. If you follow me to the end of the show, I'll be giving you a special recipe for the tea that can help you remove old age skin spots. I'm going to recommend you something called ginseng. It has been used in Asia and North America for centuries. Many use it to improve thinking, concentration, memory, and physical endurance, also skin conditions. It also utilized to help with depression, anxiety, and as a chronic fatigue natural treatment. This well-known herb is known to boost the immune system, fight infections, and help men with erectile dysfunction. Native Americans once used the root as a stimulant and headache remedy, as well as a treatment for infertility, fever, and indigestion. The origin of this special plant is China, and right now we know 11 species that can help us a lot in very different ways. There's this even written record about its properties dating back to 1000 AD. By the 16th century, it was also popular that control over ginseng fields became an issue. There are 11 species of ginseng, all belonging to the genus Panax of the family Ariaceae. The botanic name Panax means all heal in Greek. And usually, we, for the health purposes, use 5 most common used ginseng plant. The first one is something called Asian ginseng. Panax ginseng, also as red ginseng and Korean ginseng, is the classic and original that has been renowned for thousands of years. It is often used in traditional Chinese medicine for those who are struggling with low qi, coldness, and the yang deficiency, which can display as a fatigue. This form can also help with weakness, exhaustion, type 2 diabetes, erectile dysfunction, and of poor memory. Also, another form or species of Panax family is called American ginseng. Panax quinquefolius grows through the northern region of North America, including New York, Pennsylvania, Wisconsin, and Ontario, Canada. It has been shown to fight depression, balance blood sugar, support digestive distress caused by anxiety, improve focus, and boost immune system. In comparison to American variety, is more mild than Asian type, but is still very therapeutic and used to treat yin deficiency instead of yang deficiency. There is one ginseng that is very popular, and it is called Siberian ginseng. As the name says, it is mostly known in the part of the Russia, also in the Asia. Fourth one is Indian ginseng, or Vithana somnifera, also known as ashwagandha. It had renowned herb in Ayurveda for enhancing longevity. It has some similar features to the classic ginseng, but also has many differences. It can be taken more on a long-term basis and has been shown to help improve thyroid hormone levels, relieve anxiety, balance cortisol, improve cholesterol, regulate blood sugar, and improve fitness levels. One form or species of ginseng also is called Brazilian ginseng. Has many health benefits. But for today's purposes, and when we think about removing age skin spots, usually when we think it's going to be Chinese or American ginseng. What are else the benefits of ginseng? First is improve mood and reduce stress, improves brain function, has anti-inflammatory properties, may help with the weight loss, treat sexual dysfunction, may improve lung function, lower blood sugar levels, may help fight cancer, boost the immune system, relieve menopause symptoms. For today's show, the most important thing is to choose one of the ginseng plants in your health food store and use it according to the instruction. Four most common causes of age skin spots, of course, is about the aging, but also is chronic deficiency of vitamin C. Second one is resistance to insulin and diabetes type 2. And third one is going to be accumulated a lot of toxins in your body through medications or maybe through the food, and poor function of the liver. All of these four things, ginseng can help you a lot in natural way. However, do not hope that age spots will go away quickly and easily, especially in elderly sick people who drink large amount of medicine and eat poorly. Unfortunately, little can help you. While others who live healthy life practice daily intermittent fasting, and those who take ginseng have a chance that over time those problems will decrease or disappear completely. And a little bit later I'm going to tell you about tea that you drink each day for maybe 15 or 20 days in a row, that can help you with removing your age skin spots. But where you can buy this ginseng? You can buy ginseng tea bags from your local food store. By making it yourself from the root of the plant is the most beneficial form. You can use the fresh root, but this may be hard to find, so using the powdered or dried root works too. Start by peeling the roots if you are using it. Take 1 tablespoon of root shaving or powdered root and put it in the metal tea bowl or filter. Bring water to a boil and turn it off, letting the water cool off for 2 to 3 minutes. Pour the water in the tea cup and the sink tea bowl or filter into the cup. Let it steep for the 5 minutes or longer. After drinking the tea, you can even eat the shaving to optimize the effect. And this is very simple way you can incorporate it in your daily life using this perfect tea for removing your age skin spot. As I said before, this is not going to be easy, but in the research that is well known, ginseng can help you. It's not going to help you or help anyone or every person on this planet, but everyone who wants to take chance and use this natural remedy, practice intermittent fasting, live healthy, this can help you a lot. Want to learn a lot more what is most common mineral deficiency? If you have age skin spots, you can find it in a video right here. Thank you for following me. See you next time. Bye bye.